To turn on or off silent mode in Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first of all, we can open our settings and then you can go for sounds and vibrations right here and mute your phone entirely. But there's also a second option which might be more interesting, and you can find it in modes and routines. Then scroll down to the theater. If we enter it, then we'll be able to set up our theater mode, and you can first adjust for how long to stay with that mode, and you can set it to 2 hours or different time right here below. Ask every time or until you turn it off manually. In this case, I'm going to go for 2 hours right there. Then we can activate our do not disturb mode during theater mode and change the specific screen mode to dark mode, on or off. Sound mode and volume, you can pick through different profiles and sliders right here, and always on display can be also deactivated. When you click on done, that way your silent mode will be set up and you can turn it on and off right here. And that is basically everything.